Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to reset the database in WpRentals theme. You will not be able to have two demos imported at once, so if you imported a demo and you need to use a different one, before importing the new demo you will need to reset the database. I will show how to reset the database using a third-party plugin. Here I have the Santorini demo imported, and to be able to import a new demo I will reset the database. I will go to admin plugins. Here I will install the WP Reset plugin. I will look for the plugin. This is the plugin that we use. I will click install now. I will activate the plugin. And now I will proceed with the database reset, but first I will disable the theme and the core plugin from the theme. So I will deactivate the WpRentals Theme Core Functionality plugin. I will go to Themes and set as active another theme. I will activate a WordPress theme. I will go back to Plugins, and from the WP Reset plugin I will open WP Reset Tools. From the Site Reset section, I will click to reactivate current theme. You need to be aware that only the active user will remain, the rest of the users will be removed. I will type here reset and click reset site. The reset was done successfully. Now I will go to Appearance Themes. I will activate back WpRentals theme. I will activate back the theme included plugins. When you activate Elementor plugin, you will have this warning from Elementor. You just need to click Close. After the reset, you will need to activate the theme again. So I will add here my license code. I will click Check License. My theme is now activated. You will see that on front end all content was removed. Going back to admin, I will go back to plugins. Here you will need to activate the extra plugins that you want to use. I will activate only the SVG support plugin that is necessary for the demo import. I will also set it to apply only for admin. And next you can go to WpRentals options, import demo, and import the new demo that you want. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.